Today we will see how to install Google Pay application and how to use Google Pay application. So first you have to go Google Play Store and then you have to install Google Pay account. Okay. After installing the Google Pay application, you just open it. Okay. Now it is asking for a mobile number. So you have to enter that mobile number which are connected to your bank account, and also that mobile number SIM card should be inserted in your mobile. So just type here your mobile number. Okay. So now just I am typing the mobile number. After it you click on next button. Now it is asking for a which Gmail account you have to connect with your Google Pay account. So you just click on your Gmail account, okay, and press next button. Now it is asking for a OTP. So one OTP you will get, it will automatically will be inserted and it will be verified. Okay. After that it will ask you which option you want to choose for making a payment. Means you will use screen lock or you may use Google Pin. So you can choose any one option, okay, and click on continue button. Now you can see our Google Pay account is ready. So now you need to add a bank account to receive payment or to making a payment. Okay, for that you have to go setting option. So you will get setting option at top corner right side. Just click on that. In setting you can see there are many options. You just click on add a bank account option, and now you have to select your bank account name. Okay, so you can just type your bank account name like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. Now it will ask you to send a SMS, make it allowed. Also it is asking for a phone call. So it will send a SMS to your bank for verification. Okay. So your mobile number is connected to that bank account. So it will show us a bank account number and press OK. So now our bank account is added. Okay. So now I am showing you how to make a payment. You just click on scan code option. You can see at top corner left side, or you can click on make a new payment option. Okay. In new payment option you can see there are many options there like mobile recharge, bill payment, bank transfer, phone number, right? So now suppose you want to transfer a amount to any person, so you choose phone number option and just enter that person phone number. You just select that name and just enter the amount which you want to pay, and after that you click on pay option. So that person will get the amount from your bank. Okay, so you can try. If you have any query and any doubts, you can write in our given below comment box. Thank you.